is a tribal court? A tribal court is a court that has been established by typically a federally recognized Indian tribe. In the United States, we have, oh gosh, about 530, 40, or 50 federally recognized Indian tribes scattered all over the 50 states. In Minnesota, we have, I think it's 11 federally recognized Indian tribes. Indian tribes are sovereign nations. They're independent governmental entities. They're federally recognized. And what they have been doing over the last 50 or 60 years is not only building up their own governmental infrastructure, creating legislative bodies and executive positions, but they've also been creating courts. It's been a slow accumulative process over the years of putting together these courts and what kinds of issues they will handle. But in Minnesota, for example, where I practice, virtually every one of the federally recognized tribes has their own tribal court. They don't all consider the same issues. They've sort of added legal issues that they're going to cover. Almost all of them will consider tribal membership issues and issues dealing with, tribal governance, that sort of thing. Some of them deal with criminal matters, so criminal things that occur. And now the growing area, in my experience, is child welfare cases, so kids that need child protection involvement, and family law. And so that's kind of how I got involved in it. But what they are is they're courts, just like a state court or a federal court, but they're part of this tribal governmental entity.